Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So course ID 68244 Art of Articulation. So answers are there. So starting with the video, it's a long video, so please watch till end. So okay, it's long PDF of 112 pages, so I will share you quickly. So question number first is effective articulation is, the answer is this. Okay, now the next question is graphic and visuals you use for be understood at a glance or reinforce and complement your message. Next question. So the act of expressing something in coherence form is articulation. Okay, next question. To make an articulation journey truly agile, so the options are these. Okay, the right answer is 1, 2 and 3. Next question. You are creating content in English which will be translated into 5 other languages after the customer approval, the baseline content. The answers are okay these. Next question. A well articulated message is coherent and concise and easy to understand. Okay, next question. For effective articulation, avoid using jargons, longs and complex sentences. Okay, next question. In today's agile world, nobody has the time to read out too much of details. So answer is all of the above. Okay. Next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Articulation does not apply to user documents as it contains shared with multiple user groups. Next question. So articulation is the key components of all aspects that involve messaging, such as all of the above. Okay. Next question. So this is the question to make a user presentation. So you have to match the matches. So the answer is option number B. Okay. The next question. So content created for project following the agile approach need not to be reviewed. False. The answer is false. Inaccuracies and lack of clarity can adversely impact your team standing with the customer. Okay. The next question. Consistent messaging across multiple posts and multiple social media platforms is important as it helps. The options are first, second and third. Now the next question is reporting status critically helps to all of the above. Next question. Use the document of understanding to record expectation about all of the above. The next question. When developing documents required for an agile project, the answers are first, second and third. Next question. If a customer has not shared a template or standard for the document, the answer is adopt TCS in-house standard after approval from the customer and develop project specific standards and obtain an approval from the customer. Now the next question is which of the following is not a best practice for status reporting? The answers are B and C. Okay. Now the next question. When planning a presentation, the first step to evaluate the audience and identify their needs. Okay. The next question is we have been given a 1 hour slot in a meeting to give a detailed presentation on technical upgrades and its effects on which work schedule, benefits and drawback. The answer is present the shorter second version that you have already or present the key slides. Okay. Now the next question is knowing your audience and their information needs help you to B and C. Create content that is relevant and meaningful for the audience and use appropriate presentation elements such as fonts, colors, visual and formats. Okay. Now the next question is which will be the order. The order you have to select from these given options. So the answer is B. Now the next question is when replying to or forwarding an email, it is recommended that the subject line be changed according to the focus of the content. So the answer is true. Now the next question. To arrive quickly and safely at your document delivery destination, the answer is A, C and D. Okay. Now the next question is a document is agile when it's all of the above. The answers are all of the above. Okay. Now the next question is coming. The answer is giving below is an example of the content. So this is the content they given. The options are these and the option number first and second, A and B are correct. Okay. Now the next question is when you are planning to create content for social media, the answer is creating content that is relevant and meaningful for your audience. Now the next question is select the option that can be helpful authors to agile document ensure first time right delivery. The answer is use a template to create document, and the C, ensure the document is revised by subject matter experts and the editorial team before it is delivered. Okay. The next question is TechCom can help you to all of the above. Now the next question. You should always acknowledge the receipt of an email as soon as possible. True. The answer is true. Now the next question is all projects following the agile approach must develop 14 documents. The answer is false. Now the next question is identify the correct option. The option number E is the correct answer. Okay. Now the next question is review of content involves. The answer is B, A and B. Okay. Checking to conference and editing of correctness. Okay. The next question is review of the content you develop is essential to improve and ensure the quality of a content. The answer is true. Now the next question is document in agile project is just as much as it's required in a given situation. The answer is true. Okay. Now the next question is which showcasing value addition is in a status report. The answer is all of the above. Okay. The next question is select the message that will help you elect the right response when you request for information. The answer is C. Okay. The next question is which of the following document is not developed by a project team following the agile approach. The answer is none of the above. Now which of the following should not form a part of status report? The answer is detailed project background, description of functionality and change history. Now next question is alphabetic arrangement of important terms to help user quickly locate information they are located for is called index. Okay, now the next question is the sequence in which information is provided in a status report is based on the customer priorities and preferences. The answer is true. So list of all the headings or topics covered in a document along with the answer is contents. Now the next question is a project status dashboard or summary present the following information. The answer is A, B and C. Next question, in an agile project, dash are the effective way of breaking down. The answer is user stories. Now the next question is while updating status on pending action items for the previous reporting period, ensure all of the above. Okay, now the next question is in the carbon copy field include these who has may be aware of this content. Okay, carbon copy. So in your audience in a form of mixed background with a variety of degrees of understanding or a topic being discussed, the answer is A, avoid having too many slides in a main presentation, including supplementary slides or material that has been displayed it's required if required. The next question is the BCC field is used for to respect the privacy of the recipients. Okay, now the next question, when you are writing user message, anticipate as many as errors as possible and provide corrective actions for each. The answer is true. Now the next question is the key objective of interacting on social medias are engaging with your audience in real time, enabling reach and creating an influence. Okay, so I am covering these many topics right now. I am covering these only questions. Okay, in next PDF I will share you the whole questions and answer after 50 to 1112 slides. Okay, so this is all for today's video, and if you like, please share with your friends and follow and subscribe the channel for the same. Okay, thank you friends, and have a nice day and take care.